These are definitely open. This is actually pretty good.
Yeah,
this is sun faded. Yeah.
Another week, another flea market adventure. Welcome back to ZeroOne. I'm always on the hunt for cool and unique finds, stuff that catches my eye, while Tommy focuses on locking in the best deals. Anything can happen. Let's dive in and see how today's trip unfolds. So I gotta explain what happened last week. Yeah, I was sick, so I couldn't able to make any video. Even if I wanted to, I just couldn't get out of bed. But I'm feeling better now. Yeah, anyways, let's back to the video.
It's PS1, Dreamcast controller, 64. These are here.
How much?
When?
Oh, year these?
8.
8?
It's 5.
5?
Yeah.
How much on the PS2? Yeah.
50.
50?
Yeah. Okay.
What do you want for the box?
What?
What do you want for the box? The whole thing? Here you go.
Yeah. Pero yo los gamers o
I just want the games. No?
20.
20?
20, yeah. 20. 30. 30.
30 total?
Yeah, 30. 30.
The PS2 works? Yeah, they worked? You test?
I'm sorry, man, I'm speaking you.
It worked?
It's power on.
Power on?
Yeah, it's good. It's good, yeah, todo.
Okay.
Well.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Get back to the...
Yeah.
How much on these?
10. 10, yeah.
These are definitely open.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, that's what I saw.
Yeah. This is actually pretty good because it's not
oranging.
Oranging.
Yeah, it's actually perfect in the doing. PS1.
Compared to this one.
Yeah, that was
This
orange.
is sun faded. Yeah. Yeah.
All right,
It should get like 20 bucks.
the punch out.
Yeah.
There.
My side can punch out.
All right.
Hopefully N64 controller works. Been looking for an N64 controller.
Gentlemen.
Those bigger go for like 25 bucks.
Ain't this anime?
Yeah, it's Sailor Moon. Yeah.
I got a lot of stuff inside the truck too.
You got like anime figures or like Marvel?
don't even know. I ain't real, keen on everything.
Uh-huh.
With Star Wars and stuff.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what's supposed to be. Oh, it's
Star Wars. Yeah.
I don't know. You can look. Oh,
Let's look around.
I don't know what's in here.
Right.
I don't know this one.
In it?
Yeah, a Final Fantasy thing, but it's just like a airplane.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
The postcard is too slow. It's hard to miss a no.
He's having too much fun over there.
Yeah.
Oh, let him go. Gotta have fun.
I've got so much cause I have my dancing like a
Alright, well, thank you, man.
Hold up. Before we get back into it, if you're enjoying the journey so far, hit that subscribe button. We got new flea market adventures every week, and you don't want to miss what we find next. Plus, it supports the channel and it keeps us going. All right, let's get back to it.
Back into. I'll just take three, sir.
$3.
Cool, thanks.
Have a great day.
You too. I got the two cables that you saw, and I also got the Starlink, StarTAC one.
USB to HDMI.
Yeah, mini HDMI.
Oh, mini.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a 6 feet one.
I
Slim.
didn't realize it was a mini. I thought it was Type-C.
Good morning.
Or
How y'all doing?
good. Good.
Mentioned controller.
Are you looking at just getting one or more than one? $5 each.
It's nice color.
Yeah, I was thinking about it.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Buttons here pretty good.
How's is that?
So the joystick underneath. What do you want on these things?
For those two, $8.
The manual. The guide.
Huh?
Oh. Oh boy. Damn, look at this long cable.
I'll just see what paper is.
Oh yeah, paper that. I think I'm good.
Yeah, I'll give you.
You want this now?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Is that golden sun?
Alright, I'm guessing he's gonna say 35.
20?
20?
I got another one.
You got another one?
Yeah.
Same color?
Same color.
Same thing?
Can I see it?
Can I see it? This one's stretched up on the
Just turn on. You can see. I just got to charge it.
Okay.
Gotcha. Yeah. That one's rough too.
I don't know. Well, it works. I just turned it off.
Yeah, it's fine.
There's like, I thought that's like tape.
Yeah, I thought it was like blue or pink.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah. If I take them both, how much? Tell me a deal.
I can. The most I can do is 35.
35?
Yeah. They got the charge.
Can't do 30?
That's fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
¿Cómo lo tienes? 20 al que le guste, mi friend.
How you like the ribbon?
Love it.
Love it?
Yeah. I think I saw you last time. I subbed your channel.
Yeah.
Talked about you.
You had the Marlboro bag, right?
Yeah. No, I had a bunch of games and stuff.
Oh, yeah, now. Okay.
Yeah.
It's been probably a couple months ago.
Yeah, yeah.
Where'd you buy the neck thing at?
It's on Amazon.
Is it?
Yeah.
What do they call that thing?
I,
It's that neck mount?
yeah, I think it's a neck mount. This is the one. I got the Ulanzi one.
How much is it?
It's 22 bucks.
Okay, cool.
It's like a magnet. You can.
It's pretty big though. I mean,
Yeah, you can stretch it out as well.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one of those for my wife.
No, this I really like this one. Apparently DJI call it a fishing mount.
Oh, okay.
So that's the one. I
Yeah.
never. You said a Neo?
Yeah, DJI Neo. Watch those YouTube. It'll blow you for $200, man. $199. Thing's this big, and it's 4K video, and literally like the AI features are insane.
Huh.
Like it'll do a circle around you. It'll just follow you. So you basically like launch it from your hand, and you say you're the target.
Yeah.
And then from that point forward, that thing just as long as the battery's good, will just stay like you can tell it how far out you want it to go, and it just like perfect, clean, crisp
Oh,
shots.
that's actually dope.
Yeah, it's really cool. For the money, I can't believe it.
Yeah. So yeah, I gotta look into that one.
Yeah, thanks for letting me know what the name of that is.
Yeah. All right, man. See ya.
Yeah, see you later. $2.
Let's see now. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for picking that up.
Yeah.
Just keep blowing. There you go. Thank you.
All right, and that's it for this week. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye now. Farewell. Bye bye.